Weekends are spent in mountain cabins, and public holidays see cities empty as people seek refuge in forests, mountains, and along the coast. The practice is linked to both physical and mental health. As studies suggest, time outdoors reduces stress and fosters a sense of belonging. The air is crisp with the scent of pine and earth. The only sounds the wind sighing through birches and the distant rush of water. Freiluftsliv invites a mindful presence, a chance to leave behind the demands of modern life and rediscover one's place within the larger web of existence.